ka Bharatiya Janata Party BJP Meghalaya kelapan pa buka Kwah ban bu Kyrtong uban Ïakhun nak election MP steng semai syaka yang dabar thau ain Lok Sabha na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency hadian makani seat kala thali na maka cingkla no Dr. Ricky H. Sungkan ubla khla no man khat kanai trek rempang arjar penrio khaba cuba hab sikila thai khubor hakano phaisni lai trek ulber arjar penrio kinongelam ka party na jilla baganthop iba MH kharkrang ubri no aiktien lamu ba AL hek MLA ka party na pentorom khra kilong balada ka sarkar MDA 2 hak jingelam ka National People's Party lese keterwa bandon do Kyrtong Monlang dan new common candidate nak benta ketegi election ru ka Biang tambah ka syongpat hak bor party Nasa Pedeng India Hynrei Shushu kini nongelam gila penpau bakum ka party nak jela ka Kwah ban penyang Kyrtong Hynrei ka syongpat ka rai ka party na Delhi bayol ese kan long ko election MP arjar arpsau hak ba ka BJP ka khlamsai Kyrtong barai Kyrshan na tiga por ya Kyrtong ka NPP ka Dr. Mesel Ampurin Lingdo.
So as from the party point of view, we are also discussing this to set up the candidate for the by-election, for the MP by-election, Shillong seats. We have candidates, we have so many candidates are there.
So many candidates.
Yeah, so many candidates are there, but now we have not decided. We have not decided to fill for the contesting for this by-election. Very, very soon, we will sit, we'll already been informed to the respected president also BJP Meghalaya to call the meeting to discuss about this by-election. No, that is the instruction came from the central leadership. We have to follow whatever the central leadership has given us the instructions. Whatever the central leadership will give us the instruction, but from us, the BJP of Meghalaya will contest of our own. Yeah, that is only if we have to support any other political party. If it is the decision for the Meghalaya, we'll decide of our own. And we'll set up our own candidate.
From state BJP Meghalaya, we would prefer to contest the elections. As it is, we have been contesting all the elections. But of course, if there are any instructions that come from the central leadership, then we will abide by that. Tickets are decided by our central leadership. So whoever they decide, then we will abide by that.
Are you interested in contesting?
No, it's not a matter of being interested. I mean, you see, the central leadership, they take into account various things, various factors, not before they actually decide the candidate. So I think we leave it to their wisdom, and if they decide, then we'll have to abide by that.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la Ïakhun diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya